Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And yeah, in today's video we are going to be playing Sammy's Chainsaw Man fan game. That's the actual name of the game, so yeah. This game, it's been the fan game, of course. And it's made by this guy on YouTube called Swammys, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, I've been up to date on all of the updates on this game. I'm pretty sure this game released like a while ago. I kind of forgot about it, but hey. Yeah, I haven't really seen that many YouTube videos on it, so this could be like the first one maybe. But yeah, this game looks really good. I haven't played it yet, so yeah, we're just gonna go right in. So it seems we have, thank you for 100k subscribers, February 2023. Sorry, excuse me. Thank you all for the ongoing support. Maybe we can try and raise 200k this year. I hope you all enjoy this one-off demo. I hope he updates it more. Because from what I can, before I think it should American play, like, yeah, I hope he, like, gets a full release. If this game gets a full release, I want to see, like, a massive roster. I think right now it's only Denji and Power. So yeah, it can become Power, Denji, aka Chainsaw Man. We're gonna go with Chainsaw Man or Denji right now. So yeah, if there is a full release of this game though, definitely want to see a wide variety of characters. I want to see, like, of course these two, but then like Aki, Makima, Beam, the Violence Fiend, all of them, Angel Devil, all of them. That would be sick. More, I think there's only a few maps, yeah. Tokyo, Abandoned Warehouse. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I think we're gonna start off with the Abandoned Warehouse first. Ooh. Okay, the course. Attacks. Lock. This game is bloody. Jump up in the air, boom, hit him with that shit, bro. Kind of weird jump. I'm not gonna be that guy going like, it's not accurate. And the show of it, you're fucking crazy. What did I do there? Come here, boy. Alright, you know what? I wanna do this. Okay. Am I dead? Damn. Alright. That didn't happen. Come here, boy. Death is mine, boy. I can definitely see that whole game. The art style reminds me of that Madness combat game, bro. I don't know I forget what it's called. Man, I played that on my old computer. Not even PC, bro. It's like a laptop. Bro, I had so much fun on that game. I might make a video on it. If this video does, like, at least decent for my channel, maybe 10 views, I'll play that Madness combat game. One thing, combat is pretty smooth. If you like the combat, I feel like there should be some combos maybe. Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah, I'm just hoping that. I really hope this game is full release. This is pretty fun. I would like maybe, I don't know, but if there isn't a boss I would like to see some. Like, of course, characters from the show and mom, and not some random big zombies. Damn it. Oh, we cleared it. Oh, that's how this game. Damn. Alright, I think we had enough of Denji. No. Damn, alright, we just gotta resume. We just kill me. Kill me. Oh! You know what? No. We're going down to a fight. I don't like how that ended, though. Definitely should be a better ending, I feel like. That would definitely make it more satisfying. Maybe you have to clear a system now with zombies instead of just, you know, killing most of them and then just ending with that pretty unsatisfying ending to a level. Definitely feel like the screen should have been better, like maybe over a play again. Well, there was a play again, but make it look a bit cooler, maybe. Instead of just being some blurred out image, blurred out. The game behind it blurred out, and then, no, a freeze frame of where you left off, and then blurred out, and then some text, you win. Play again, go back. Definitely can improve. Other than that, though, I am really liking combat now. Combat's pretty good. I really hope it's not the same for both of them. It has to be different because this man has changed. I can't. Oh, there we go. All right. Yeah. This definitely needs to be. So, yeah, that's Denji. It's pretty fun. Now let's go into Power. And I don't know why she looks so anime here, but then realistic. But in Denji looks like he does here, but she... I don't know, bro. And Power's kind of like the main thing in all this. I feel like Denji is the main character. I feel like he should be more... I feel like he should be at least in one of these thumbnails, but that's just like a minor nitpick. It doesn't really matter. It's just a level select, so... Yeah. Now let's go in Tokyo as Power. Ooh. Level design in this game does look pretty nice. Oh, god damn! Oh, shit! Okay, definitely like that. That's the same as Denji. Boom! I feel like there should be a way to jump up in the air and strike down. Like, not this, but like, different moves. Like, you could actually see your board the hammer up and bonk him on the head. That would have made it more fun to play as her. But right now I am liking her more than Denji just because of her basic attack. I can just spin. I feel like there should be some interior here. Again, just a minor complaint. Not that big of a deal. Yeah, I also would like to see more enemy variation. Maybe throw in a few actual devils here, like maybe add some boss. Maybe add like a boss at the end of the level before you get to that finishing screen. And maybe some like bigger enemies, not like boss fights, but like some more buffed up enemies instead of them all just kinda being the same with it. I mean, they are different, but like not by that much. They all have the same posture. Or the same body type, I mean. All the females look like that, and all the males look like that. We'll like to see some bigger guys, and yeah. That would have made it cooler. Not cooler, but just like fun to have some more enemy variations. Instead, just the same characters with the same gameplay. Well, not the same enemies with the same moves and stuff. That would have been funner. So as it is pretty fun just to play it. Levels also, I feel like, should be a bit longer. Yeah, I am enjoying it right now. It's pretty fun. Oh, I just realized I showed you how many enemies are on this corner. Top corner. There's also that score thing on the screen. I think that's like or something. I feel like it would have been cooler if that rank you saw at the, I don't know, I think it would have been cooler if you could, like, get ranks and you've been trying to pass the other ranks, and if, like, maybe, just maybe, give it a, like, score, like a tiering. I know this is a weird comparison, but like that weird Sonic Runner mobile game, how it has a leaderboard of fake people, I think that would have made at least it feel like I'm doing something instead of just replaying the same levels over and over. Yeah, because this is just a demo. So yeah. This guy also made an Attack on Titan fan game. I might also play that. If this video gets 10 views, I'll play that. And then if the next video gets if this video gets 10, I'll play the Attack on Titan fan game. If this video gets 20 views, then I'll play the Madness Combat game. Madness Combat Nexus or something. I bet you guys are getting bored of me doing this, so I'll wrap up this, and after I'm done clearing up the zombies, I will give a proper rating for the game. I've been very critical of the game, just like, there definitely should be a bit more variety, I feel like. But, yeah, and also the character design for Denji and Power, they look good. I like them, they're accurate. So, yeah. So my rating for this game, definitely, I feel like maybe one more character would have been fun. Like Aki to round out the trio of Power, Denji, and Aki. Maybe, if you do make a final version of this, Sammy's, definitely add some more maps, maybe like 3 or 2 more, that would be good, and yeah, come with like something like really unique, like, I don't know, maybe like Hell. I know it would be kind of like a manga spoiler, but like what Hell looks like in the manga, that would be a cool map, and also, maybe the office building, maybe the, Devil Hunters, I forget what it's called, Safety something, but yeah, the Devil Hunter, the Devil Hunter's business name, whatever it is, the building, whatever. Yeah, I feel like it would have been cool if you would like spawn in an I feel like this should definitely be it. That one scene from episode 10 or 9. Did it even get to 10 or 9 episodes? I forget, bro. It's been a while since I've watched Chainsaw Man. I'm so hyped for season 2. But yeah, that office building, maybe like have it so there's one floor, you gotta clear out a floor of enemies. It could be a different mode as well. You gotta clear out a floor of enemies, then you go into the elevator, go up another floor, clear up that row, and then you get to the top floor, floor 3, and then you gotta fight through a couple zombies. No, you gotta, and then when you get to the 3rd floor, you'll see the, Katana Man. katana man standing there. There'll be like, if you can do it, maybe a cutscene will play, and it's basically like a 3D recreation, whatever they say, and then you engage in a fight. Now, I would like it if you would like, if it would be like, as soon as you damage him enough, then another cutscene will play. You would be blown out into the subway station, and then you finish the fight there. But I feel like it would be easier if you just fight him in the office building, and then you get like an ending cutscene or something like that, Aki and him kicking him nuts. That would be a cool level, honestly. So, yeah, it would make the game longer and more fun. And yeah, definitely more characters. So yeah, honest and more enemy variation instead of just male zombie, female zombie, male zombie with coat, female zombie with coat. You see what I mean? I mean, yeah, but I would like to see some bigger enemies and a few bosses in the zombie S.P.R.I.T.E levels. So yeah, and yeah. Congrats for 1K. I think you're at like 2. Yeah, no, you're at like 200 something K. Congrats, man. That probably doesn't mean much coming from me because I only have 92. So, yeah, but like, congrats. But yeah, honestly, right now for demo / open beta, definitely gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. It's fun. It's fun. Like if you're bored, don't know what to do, it could be like a fun time killer. It's better than the other Chainsaw Man fan game I played. Not on the channel, but like I've downloaded this one from Game Jolt. All you could play as was Denji. You were in a warehouse and you just killed zombies, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. The level didn't end. It's just an endless zombie killer. And the controls are weird. This is definitely better. And the best Chainsaw Man game, but there's only like 2. This one and the one that I just talked about, so yeah. Definitely needs some improvements, so yeah. 5 out of 10. If you do make a final version, I will check it out. And yeah. 10 views for the Attack on Titan fan game made by Swammys. And 20 views to play the Madness Combat game. So yeah guys, see you in the next one. Like and subscribe to Sammy. Well, subscribe to Sammy and maybe me if you feel so generous. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.